Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a chorus symbol checkbox using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. As this is a check symbol checkbox and I'll create new chorus symbol checkbox. Select from option this menu bar and here you will find the checkbox option. Click here and draw a checkbox location. Now click right button and select properties dialog box and properties dialog box, go option already selected and click this down arrow and this is chorus symbol and appearance and essence and make it color and select hand option and see this chorus symbol checkbox. Also you can see in this existing checkbox symbol, thank you, cross, and see this. In this way you can make chorus symbol checkbox. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.